Hi guys, welcome back to another video. Today, I'll show you how to use Google Translate offline. This is perfect when you don't have internet access. So, first thing we need to do is open the Google Translate app. Then tap your profile icon or the settings gear. Select Download Languages and tap the download icon beside the languages you want. Once downloaded, you can translate text or speech even without Wi-Fi or data. This is super useful when you are traveling. And that's how to use Google Translate offline using Android. Tap Schedule Send to confirm. Now, Gmail will automatically send your email at the exact time you chose. This is perfect for early mornings or follow-ups.